when you come to actually putting your record together, a lot of it is about what you don't use rather than what you do use. I could spend an hour writing a part. Just because I've spent an hour on a part, it doesn't mean I have to use it. Part of the skill is being able to hone down and work out what's actually worth using and what's not worth using. It's like as an artist, sometimes it's about the records that you don't release more than the record, just as much as the records that you do release. You know, if it's not quite working, don't be afraid to ditch it. Even if you think the part is good and the sound is good, if it's not fitting quite in with your record, save it, use it later. But just because you've done it, it doesn't mean you have to use it. So in this occasion, I think I'm going to knock that on the head, and I want to do something a lot more simple. So let me just go back to my reference and remind me, you know, what I'm trying to achieve here. So I'm not lost. Again, this is the beauty of having a reference. We're not copying, but we're just keeping ourselves focused. We're not going off on a sort of tangent.